Welcome, welcome back to the channel. This is Music Mojo Jojo. Subscribe kawe ni newcomer. Manze, like nilikuwa nadhani hawa sewa wana troll Kuzi na Lumu, actually Lumu. Some of you niggas been saying that I sound like this guy, man. It's too early in the video to cast, but if you really think that, eat a D, manze. But yeah, manze, kumbe walimengo ya ukweli. Na for some reason, I expected Barack achukue L. Manze, it's too early in the video and I really wanna curse, manze. Because we all know what happened to Barack Jacuzzi na TNT. Achani waste time hivi before anybody from YouTube reviewing Aboeke ndio sani anze kukas. Anyway, yeah, probably now washachoka. Anyway, Barack Jacuzzi, we all know what happened to him, manze. TNT walimkanyaga and he didn't do nothing about it. Instead, he went to the police. Like, in fact, I'll put that video jump kwa hii nini muone hapo with sound and everything. Like walikuja wakamkanyaga, wali run up for real. Unajua ule nigga fulani wa TNT, ule mrefu, ule light skin, ule mwenye meno zake zinakuanga nje, anakaa na smile kila time. But nigga kumbe amejama na sikumia Kuzi kidevu tu na hiyo evil smile yake hapo. Man, like that shit was crazy. Afu ule manager wao mbigi, ule kipara na ndevu, ule mwenye anakaa nani, anakaa this American actor, not Idris Elba. Idris Elba is British. But that nigga for real, he's like really very insane, man. Like pia yeye alikuja kamkanyaga, hata mimi nilishangaa na yeye nini hakuna tu venye. But wali pull up tu kwa Jacuzzi, manze, like in his home and they stepped on the nigga. So mi nimejuanga Barack Jacuzzi is a pussy, and they even dropped a song, and the song they really stepped on Barack Jacuzzi kwa hiyo diss track yao, because obviously Barack Jacuzzi has much TNT lyrically. That's just obvious, we didn't expect anything. But yo, manze, Kuzi actually beat the shit out of this nigga. Like, actually it was sort of a fair fight. Nimesema actually, and the nigga name is actually Lumu. Lakini ilikuwa sort of a fair fight. But Barack alimkanyaga, man. Barack alimkanyaga. Like damn, I never knew this nigga. Maybe nikali enda alitrain nini kina 20 walimpatia PTSD. By the way, Timmy Blanco was not in the video. Timmy Blanco is a peaceful guy, manze. Yako kwa kirun up kwa Barack. Yatasema tu kwa lyrics tu hapo. My shooters, they gonna be rude and reckless. They coming home with your necklace. They coming home with your watch too. That's actually 20. But anyway, this was nini. This fight was actually very fucking entertaining, and it gives me an idea, manze. Toxic lyrically, manze. Wherever the fuck you are, you know what you DM'd me, you can send, and I think you know what's up, manze. Squeezy, this is the form, manze. Ukiwa na smoke na msee, mnaenda kuisettle like men on a boxing ground. Tuoneka tutasell out arena. Of course we will. You will, to be honest. But yeah, nigga, nataka nikupige mbele ya watu because you're such a pussy. And ulienda hapo, nilikuwa nimecomment shit hapo kwa video ya confirmation, and the nigga I mentioned it in my video, akaenda akadelete. Nilikuwa nimemention kitu alini DM, ameenda amensend. Uzuri I took a screenshot, so I still have all this shit, manze. Misi fala, nilitake screenshot immediately. Like nilijua tu nikimention kwa video ataenda unsend. Alikuwa amesubscribe, nikamention kwa video, ameenda unsubscribe. Like this nigga ananifuata kaa nyoka, because sometimes I talk about him, which absolutely, manze. Umeona videos zenye naongeleanga toxic lyrically number ziupiga, like of course I'm gonna talk about you. You're the biggest artist in Kenya, man. Now you're somebody who actually bores me, like uko chini, lyrics zako sikali. You have a lot of things to criticize. You call yourself lyrically and you're actually whack. Of course, nigga, I'm gonna criticize that. Like there's just so many reasons. And another reason is you're a shitty human being manze. Pia ulikubali hiyo do for nini. Okay, sijui mbona nimechange hii video make nikawa ni POV one-on-one me versus Toxic Lyrically, but anyway, hiyo ni hii segment too. Because I know his ass watching manze, his ass anawatchingi kila video hata zenye azimhusu. Yo, talk shit. I wanna box your ass. Ustance, misi weida pia mimi ni sort of skinny nigga kawe. Go watch my videos zenye nimetokea hapo with a mask on my face na digaga. Uone build yangu like tuko weight class moja probably. So stance, mi nategemea skill na nategemea the fact that you're a pussy who needs to be taught a lesson in front of the people. Wache kufront up as a gangster, as a fake G promoting violence, while in real life you're a pussy. You've been treated your whole life now, maniga wako Kayole. Kayole is not even your real home, you just moved there. Nimegather a lot of data around you, but that's a story for another video because I'm gonna expose you one-on-one on that shit. But anyway, it started about the music, but the nigga kaanza kuget too personal, manze, too snaky. So imefika point where I really wanna box. I really wanna box a nigga, man. Music critic versus rapper. I wanna box your ass like nikupe tu lesson tu ile ingine serious tu manze, ile unajua ni kama mkoro wako akwa na kuchapa. Mimi sasa ndio nataka nikuchape ile yenye utaona yenye ndio mzae wangu, moja ndio mzae wangu. Like ile yenye utakaa chini upige magoti utii, usikie advice yenye nakupea kwa ngoma, pia uanze ku move wisely. Start by getting your own masters back, by the way. You're a big artist and your masters are owned by somebody else. Kwani wewe ni mjinga aje? Wewe ni mjinga aje? Unajua dozi zenye ungekuwa na make. But anyway, that's a story for another day. A lot of stories for another day za Ujango, because he just keeps on making wrong moves, na niko kuna video flani ata make movie ufala and I'll come and call it out niseme vile ange nini. Nacheki video flani hapa ya hizi fights. The niggas actually threw punches. Unajua mimi nilikuwa nadhani Barak na Lumu watakuja hapo watu troll, like warushe tu mkono ndogo as long as wamepata hiyo do, but nah, them niggas went all in. UFC cage and shit, outfits, boxing gloves and all, like wakapigana. But street fight like this manze, mimi na Toxic na kuambia ndakanyaga Ujango wenu, ndamkanyaga. I'll break his ass. Hata irudi kuambia this fake gangster shit kwa madoba zake anymore. When there's a clip out there of Music Mojo Jojo beating his ass, na nitakuwa na mask, I won't show my face, man. Nita pull up na kibale clava too, and I'll still whoop your ass, man. I'll still whoop your ass. But anyway, we don't even have to do it for a crowd, manze. Hata tunaweza panga, just like 6ix9ine was telling Lil Durk. But anyway, F6ix9ine. But hiyo vile alikuwa anachapia Durk, tunaweza patana tu place flani tu secretly, si lazima pia ikuwe public knowledge. Patani tu base flani tu one-on-one without your bodyguards, without your goons from Kayole and shit. One-on-one tu mimi versus wewe. Nimkanyage, nitakukanyaga bro, nitakustep, tutajua nani step between the two of us. And next time manze nyewe same na make hizi events, man. If you want a commentator, manze, think about Mojo for commentator hapo manze. Mina I'll give y'all an entertaining time. That's one thing that's guaranteed. I love pia especially I have knowledge of them niggas, I have knowledge of their careers, their catalogs and all that. But isi session ya kuomba nini, omba wera. So what's actually the main purpose of this video? I just really wanted to talk about this fight. Yes, it has nothing to do with music, but Barak Jacuzzi is a fucking rapper, manze. So yeah, and this actually Lumu guy mlikuwa mnasema ana sound like me. It was kind of nice seeing him actually throw hands with Barak Jacuzzi. Kumbe none of them are pussies, contrary to what I thought. Nilikuwa nadhani, yeah, I've already said that so many times. I really thought this was just a way for them to make money and just finesse cryptocurrency style. Nilikuwa nadhani too, that's what they were after. But nah, man, this shit was nini. It was really enticing, man. And you other Kenyan celebrities, and personalities, influencers, whoever, tuanze kusort hivi any nini differences and all that shit. This is how we're gonna tuanze equal like the new future for us manze. Mkiona smoke na msee, this is how you handle it. Mnaingia UFC cage, mkono one on one manze, we know who's the bigger nigga, straight up tu hapo, hakuna cha mdomo mingi manze, like tujuange tu nani tu anaweza step mwingine. That's actually a stupid way to compare masculinity, I'm not gonna deny, but saa zingine pia wasee ubanja sana tu wenye inabidi tu kidevu tu ndio ufunze msee lesson. But anyway, yeah manze, I think I'm gonna conclude this video here because I got nothing else to say except W for Barak Jacuzzi manze, alikanyaga ujamaa sana. It was almost like 70-30 ukiniuliza, 70 to Barak, 30 to him. Barak manze, TNT walimpatia PTSD sana hadi ilibidi tu ameget tight at fighting. Salute to that manze. Same thing I'm gonna do to Toxic Lyrical, nitampatia PTSD hadi in future atakuwa better at fighting. Scar amebonda, but Scar pia maybe anaweza likajaga, but Scar is a midget manze. Scar anaweza mkanyaga pia. Mi I'm short and I'm not nini Missy Weda, but anaweza kanyaga Scar manze. Scar tunatoshana. Toxic Lyrical is tall skinny ass manze, so hana nini inaitwaje hii nini ya gravity, ECOG, hana center of gravity fitting. Kidevu moja tu I knock his ass out. Yo, this video has been wild. Music Mojo Jojo out.